Here's Hansshow Ambient Light for Model 3Y center console screen. It can create a vibrant and dynamic vibe, adding more fun on your road trip. The lighting can change with the rhythm and music. Comes with a wireless charger on the top left. Installation is super easy. For wiring, stick one clip to the left of the screen back. Stick one to the bottom of the screen back. Stick one on the right-hand glove box. Install it on the screen frame. Connect the wireless charger. Wiring it to the glove box charging port, then control the lighting effect with the provided controller. Enjoy customizable colors with our RGB lights.